You ever land on a website that just looks incredible and right away you start wondering, what is this thing actually built on? Are they running a custom theme? What plugins are under the hood? Or what framework are they using to load everything so fast? Usually, your only option is heading over to some bloated online lookup tool that slaps you with a paywall after 3 searches or forces you into a monthly subscription just to see basic analytics and server headers. It drives me completely nuts. So instead of dealing with web-based lookup sites that limit your workflow, I decided to build my own solution right here on my desktop. Today, I am going to show you built with a free Python desktop app that lets you scan any public URL instantly, inspect the entire tech stack locally, and export clean reports without paying a single dime or handing over an API key. Let's dive right into how this works and look at the actual interface. When you open up the app, you get this clean, dark-themed dashboard designed to keep things simple and fast. You have got one website URL field at the top, a scan site button, and a dedicated results panel that populates once the scan finishes. All right, so right here, I am going to run through a live test with something someone would actually use to see a heavy WordPress architecture in action. There is only one input on this app. Website URL, HTTPS, is optional. I am typing wordpress.org into website URL. Now I click the Scan Site button. Give it just a second while it fetches the headers, parses the DOM, and extracts the underlying assets. And right here, that is your complete output stream. Look at what we pulled back. Under CMS, we have got WordPress right at the top of the list. That is our primary content management system identified cleanly from the meta tags and response headers, moving down into the asset paths. Look at the specific components the scanner picked up from the public asset folders. We have got plugin, and right there is Gutenberg. We have got a second plugin entry, PubSync, extracted straight from the active script paths. Then we get into the styling architecture. Look at theme, and right there is WPorg Main 2022. And right below that, we have got our parent theme, WPorg Parent 2021. That is 5 distinct concrete technology rows pulled straight off a live public URL in a fraction of a second, showing you exactly how the site is structured without any guesswork. You can see how valuable this is if you are researching competitor sites, auditing your own setups, or just satisfying your curiosity as a developer or creator. Once you have got your results on screen, you do not have to worry about losing them. The tool comes with built-in export actions right at the bottom. You can click Copy Report to drop everything straight onto your clipboard. Hit Export TXT to save a clean text file to your local directory, or click Export CSV if you want to pull these exact rows into a spreadsheet for deeper analysis. And look at the status bar right at the bottom of the panel as the scan completes. That final payoff line reads, Done, 11 technologies, 2 plugins, 2 themes on HTTPS, WordPress.org. That is our final confirmation, letting us know the scan completed successfully with full asset visibility. Now, how did we put this together? This is a small Python desktop app. I built it completely from scratch in Cursor AI. It runs entirely on your local machine using standard requests and deterministic local fingerprinting, meaning no heavy API setup is required and your lookups stay completely private. On CaseyBuildsIt.com, you can grab this exact script right from the Files or Free Tools section, open it on your computer and run it directly, or take the included build prompt and change it in Cursor or whatever AI tool you prefer to use for your own custom development projects. If this video helped you save some time or gave you a cool new utility for your creator toolkit, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below with what site you want to scan next, and I will see you in the next build.